Hey there, everybody. Welcome back to the Manny and Shawn Experience. Today we have another room tour for you. We recently stayed at the Fairfield Inn and Suites in Orlando, Ocoee area, and we stayed in one of their king guest rooms. The bed, absolutely great, comfortable, large. It still has some of the old Fairfield branded feel to it. This hotel was recently updated in 2023. There's a great desk area there. It actually pulls out, so it makes a bigger workspace for you. You have your drawers, and the TV actually also pulls out, and you can swivel it around in case you're watching TV in bed. It comes equipped with an ironing board, and then a couple of hangers if there's any items you have, in addition to that hair dryer if you need to dry your hair. Always amazed that it's in a closet, not in the bathroom. Fairfield Inn Suites, this is pretty traditional for their bathrooms, especially some of their older resorts. This shower has a bench towards the back of it, so if you need to shave your legs or something, there you go. And it also comes equipped with the standard shower gels that you see at most Marriott branded hotels: shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. The bathroom is clean. There was some stains as you saw, but I feel like that was from an old slip resistant thing that may have just not come up as well as they thought. This is the lobby area. Adjacent to this, there's also a larger breakfast nook. There's also a coffee station with water that's there pretty much throughout the day. You saw there they have a central market where you can also buy your essentials. And then their gym is 24 hours. And hot tip, that water machine is where I got my water because it was free. Why pay for water? You also have a pool and hot tub at this facility. It wasn't busy when we went to the pool, and the one time we did see people, there was only 2 other people at the pool, and they left before we even finished up. Pool bathrooms are in that door there you saw to your right. You will need your hotel key. Highlights for us: complimentary parking, something that's a dying breed in Orlando for all hotels, and complimentary breakfast till 10 a.m. is pretty unheard of nowadays, so that's also a great advantage. The rooms were spacious. If you're looking to save some money and still be somewhat within central to Walt Disney World Airport, you see the travel times there. If you're looking to save money, get a larger room. I think this is a great hotel for you to stay at. We got it for pretty cheap compared to the other hotel that were in the area, so I recommend checking it out. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. We do hotel tours quite frequently, and we have more in the works. And thanks for joining us on the Manny and Shawn Experience.